Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sure you can tell by the title, I have a huge update. I got a job at Disney. Yes, the Walt Disney Company. I'm so excited and wanted to just provide that update. I can do a Q&A specifically around what I do or the interview process if any of you are curious. So leave your questions in the comment section down below. I'm more than happy to do that. Maybe I'll also do like a day in the life. So anyways, yes, I got a job. I'm super excited. I am very blessed. I did share that I moved back home to Hawaii last September. So I've been here for a few months working remotely for a previous company, but Disney, I'm sure, like most of you, it's a dream company. I've loved it since I was a child, and I was so blessed to apply, interview, and get the job. So I wanted to share that news with all of you. I do work remotely, just from my home on the computer. I still work in recruiting, so I am a technical recruiter. I support Disney streaming right now. So Disney streaming, Disney Plus, Hulu, ESPN Plus, and Star Plus. Those are the streaming platforms that fall within Disney streaming. It's not just Disney Plus. So I'm super excited. I'm building the engineering teams there. So I'm hiring software engineers, machine learning engineers, data scientists, very technical roles, but I love it. I love working with the technical teams. So I wanted to share that with you, and it is just like a passion of mine, Disney as well. So I wanted to share that life update, as well as I'm mixing my two loves, luxury and Disney. And now that I'm a Disney employee, I actually have 3 Disney luxury unboxings for you today. So let's get into it. So the first item that I have is from the Disney Coach collaboration that just recently launched. I already unboxed it. It didn't come in like a nice Coach box. They literally just threw it into like a cardboard box. So I opened it and it just, anyway, I have it on a hanger. So I picked up this cute piece from the Disney Coach collection. So it is the women's t-shirt. As you can see, it has the main star, Mickey Mouse. It has 71 because this Disney Coach collaboration celebrates Walt Disney World. So that was the year that Walt Disney World opened. So it has a patch that says 71. There's a patch here that says Walt Disney World, and then this is a huge like patch of Mickey himself all over a t-shirt that has the CC, the Coach like monogram print. So it's super cute. I was able to pick this up online. Like I said, sorry, the packaging wasn't great. It just came in a standard brown box. And once I ripped it open, it was like, no going back. So anyway, I got this. I wanted like a cool, kind of casual look. So I went for a women's medium because I foresee me wearing this with like a black pair of, you know, really loose fitting jeans, that early 2000s style sneakers, or maybe a hat, bucket hat, something like that. So that's the first piece that I got from Coach. There's nothing on the back. It just from the Disney Coach collaboration. So that's the first item. The second items that I got, or second brand, is from Gucci. So it comes in this really cute Gucci packaging. What do you folks think of the new packaging? I may have asked this in my last video, but I like the new green with the gold. I think it's cool. And the maroon handles. So the first piece comes in this box. I already took off the ribbon. Again, I don't want to bore you guys with me struggling because I've been having a hard time unboxing. still getting back into practice here. So, comes in this. You get the little care cards. Super cute. Comes in this dust bag. And the dust bag says Disney, Gucci, to reveal. So cute. This notebook. So I got this Gucci notebook. It's the Disney Gucci collaboration. I don't know if you can see it that great, but it has Daisy Duck here, and it says Madame. So it's super cute. It has the GG Gucci print. It's bound with a light pink spine, and then it has a pink, you know, I don't know what this is called, like a elastic to kind of hold your notebook closed, and the trim is really this gold shiny. It's super cute. So I'm gonna use this for work to take some notes. The front is in this really cute light pink, and then it's just a lined notebook. So it just has lines. The bottom of every page has Daisy's face, and it says Gucci. Super, super cute. I really like this. So that's the first piece I got for work. And then the second piece that I got is also from Gucci. In a similar vein, it comes in this box. Again, I already undid the ribbon to save us some time. It comes in this dust bag. It says Disney Gucci right here to reveal this pencil case. It's super cute. This one has Donald Duck on it, and it says Monsieur. Monsieur? I don't speak French. I need to learn, especially with my last name now being French. Yeah, so it's super, super cute. The GG print, Donald, Monsieur. It has the blue and blue trim, and the inside is blue as well. So super cute. They did have this in Daisy as well, but I wanted one piece with Daisy, one piece with Donald, so that's what I went for. That's my second piece from Gucci. And then I just have one more kind of luxury Disney unboxing to share with you today from Saint Laurent. So it comes in this box. Here it is. And let's see if I can show it. It says Saint Laurent, and it has Mickey. So cute. It's a tee, a black tee. It's so comfortable. Like, the material is really great. I also went for a medium in this one because I wanted to, again, I like the kind of cat. I have two sides to my style, either like street wear, casual, or girly. So polar opposites, but I went for this one for my last kind of Disney luxury piece. So which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comment section down below. Again, if you have any questions or are curious about getting a job at Disney, interviewing at Disney, what it's like working at Disney, I'm more than happy to share any insight as well. So let me know in the comment section down below. Otherwise, have an amazing, beautiful day and week ahead, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.